Caught in the act. Police in Overland Park are pleading with drivers to stay with your car while it warms up. So this is video from West 75th and Antioch this morning. A security camera was recording as a car pulls up to a warming vehicle. Someone pops out, and in a matter of seconds, the two speed away. If you know anything at all about this crime, you're asked to call police. As for the rest of us, there is a right and wrong way to warm up your car or truck in the morning. Remember to warm the car in a safe, open area, not inside of a garage. Turn on both the vehicle and the defroster. Let the engine run for at least 30 seconds and then take it easy for the first 5 to 15 minutes of your drive. But what about letting the car heat up to prevent engine damage? Well, the reality is modern vehicles just don't need it. According to AAA, cars and trucks used to need extra time to make sure that the carburetor was functioning properly. However, automakers started phasing out those devices back in the 80s, and they really haven't been used at all since 1994. So today's automobiles use electronic fuel injectors that detect and then adjust for cold weather. Actual acceleration will also help heat up your vehicle faster.